आप लोग को अगर लगता है कि लिलपुल ये बैटल जीतेगा तो आप लोग ग्रीन बैंड शो करेंगे, और अगर आप लोग को लगता है कि ये बैटल रूल्स ब्रेकर्स जीतेगा तो आप लोग रेड बैंड शो करेंगे. ओके, लेट्स गो.
Time to spin the bottle. Oh,
I'm going first.
Hit the floor in 3, 2, 1.
Sun come. Look, saint versus sinners, the poor versus riches, top ramen place versus five-star dinners. Wonder why I fit in, the humblest beginnings. Had to pick some losses before I saw my first winnings. Silver line grinning, poverty line thinning. My life is like a movie and the plot just sticking. Came from broken homes trying to break the old traditions. Left my old ways for my future acquisitions, I know. No such thing as playing both sides, I know. Life is better in the dope ride, I know. The water better in the low tide. Music better amplified, staying down for upsides, I know. No such thing as playing both sides, I know. The life is better in the dope ride, I know. The water better in the low tide. Music better amplified, staying down for upsides, I know. Came up off the ignorance, coming from a family drunk cycle and it's belligerent. Me, I sip a little bit, maybe a little more, just trying to keep a score. 2 cups in and knowing my liver sore, and knowing I'm into soar, and knowing I'm in for more. Rewriting destiny right when I hit record. Patching up the trauma, these lyrics is me a spawn. I rose from the concrete away, but it came with thorns, I know. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know. Playing both sides, I know. Life is better in the dope ride, I know. The water better in the low tide. Music better amplified, staying down for upsides, I know. No such thing as playing both sides, I know. The life is better in the dope ride, I know.
community, green for Lilpool and red for rules breakers. Dekha, what do you think? Okay. So 6 for Lilpool and 4 for rules breakers. Guys, give it up, give it up. Judges.
First of all, Lashkari, you were outstanding.
The future is safe with someone like him.
Thank you so much.
It was important to watch what you guys were doing. I think hip hop may like dance and rap are together, you know? And dancers being able to interpret the music, the details, the different drum patterns. It's a very difficult decision. बहुत ही tough decisions है ये.
Better?
I felt the energy.
Yeah, the energy. Yes.
Yeah. I'm just for this performance.
Yeah.
Energy.
Yeah.
The battle essence, rules breakers had it. That's why I gave them the red band.
Lilpool का 20% और पूरे rules breakers का 100%. And I know Lilpool's gonna win और rules breakers तो तुम गए हो वही हो.
तो वहीं आके बताता हूँ.
Yes, sir.
My fucking god. Rules breakers,
सोलो बंदे ने अखे ग्रुप को हराया है, माँ बहन कर दे रहा तुम लोग की।
बिल्कुल भी एक्सपेक्ट नहीं किया था। हर रोज संडे नहीं आता तो इट्स माय डे।
आई एग्री विद कम्युनिटी ऑल्सो। आज आप लोग का भी बैंड देखा, डेफिनेटली जो एनर्जी आज इस मंच पे दिखा, वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। बहुत सारे फुटवर्क किए। बिगनिंग का जो फर्स्ट सेक्शन था बहुत ईज करके किया है, जैसे हमारा लमार का जो सिग्नेचर स्टेप है वो बहुत कमाल था एंड बहुत ही क्लीन लगा मुझे। मेजॉरिटी वाइज हम लोगों को, मेरे को, मलाइका को इसका अच्छा लगा, और मेजॉरिटी अगर वहाँ पे भी देखेंगे तो इसका था। बट यू गाइज वर ऑल्सो वेरी ग्रेट। एनर्जी जो था वो बहुत ही कमाल था। मतलब फ्रैंकली स्पीकिंग राजा को आप लोगों का परफॉर्मेंस ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा अगर देखा जाए तो।
Congratulations, Lil Pool. But rules breakers, before you guys go, I have to tell you how I felt watching you perform. I could feel that you were battling with everything that you had. You were leaving it all there. And please don't be discouraged by this. You are incredible, and I would love to see you perform more. I would love to see you guys perform with me. So many types of hip hop, and you have to keep doing what you're doing because, again, it's incomplete without you guys doing this.
Absolutely.
Gangster hip hop, you need to do this. Keep going. Everybody on stage was following the detailed beat patterns, and I think there was this Indian touch to how everybody was also performing on stage. So the music was incredible, performance incredible, and this is such a very, very important part of hip hop, performance, how we are going to show the world our hip hop. It's through dancing and music together. So Milake, very good job.
Thank you so much, man.
लश्करी, आप इस पैनल का हिस्सा थे, आपको
जी।
कैसा लगा?
सबसे पहले मैं थैंक यू बोलूँगा कि मुझे मौका मिला दोनों को रूट करने के लिए। कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन माय ब्रदर लिल पुल,
Thank you.
यू डिजर्व दिस
Thank you so much, bro.
एंड स्पेशली रूल ब्रेकर्स, आई हैव सीन योर जर्नी। मैंने देखा है आपका गुनहगारी से कलाकारी तक का सफ़र। बट आई हैव टू से आज जो आपने किया है ना, डांस नहीं रामपुरी चलाई है।
सर आज जैसे हम हिप हॉप सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, मतलब जैसे ब्रेकिंग हो गया एंड ऑल दीज डांस फॉर्म्स जो हिप हॉप का एकदम मेन पार्ट है, वैसे सर रैप भी ना हिप हॉप का एक बहुत बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है।
Absolutely.
लाइक हमने जब शुरू किया था हमें तो बहुत टाइम तक पता नहीं था कि इसे रैप कहते हैं, ठीक है। हम तो कविताएं लिख रहे थे कि हाँ यार ये ऐसे होता है, शायरी हो गई, कविता हो गई, हम वैसे लिख रहे थे। कितने सारे हुड्स हैं सर, लाइक देयर इज एमपी हुड, पंजाब हुड, साउथ एंड लाइक बंगाल, इट्स लाइक कितना फैला हुआ है। आई जस्ट वांट टू से दिस थिंग सर कि मतलब आज अगर हम यहाँ पे खड़े हैं, लाइक एवरीबडी, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट एवरीबडी, ये कहीं ना कहीं हर एक हुड को जो आप रिप्रेजेंट करके आए हो ना, इसमें बहुत बड़ा हाथ आपके हुड का भी है जिसको आप रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हो यहाँ पे।
राजा कुमारी से कुछ पूछना चाहता हूँ, आपकी जर्नी कैसी रही है आपकी?
Hip hop has always been a place where I felt accepted, a community. You know, growing up in America, there wasn't many Indians on TV, in music. And when I heard Timbaland for the first time, and he was sampling Indian music, I felt like, you know what? I think I can belong there. I can be a part of that. And I can keep who I am. So it's been a long journey, but I always knew that I wanted to make it in India, and if people knew me in India, then they would know me everywhere in the world. So that was really important to me, and Mumbai's been that city that has given us all hope. So I represent all the way from LA to Bombay, and I represent from the east back to the west.